Here at Grizzly, we work closely with our factories to engineer and produce the highest quality machinery for your shop. And we're proud to introduce our newest lineup of compact, portable dust collectors. If you're looking for the ultimate in two-stage dust separation, then look no further than the G0860 1.5 horsepower, the G0861 2 horsepower, or the G0862 3 horsepower portable Cyclone dust collectors. Each collector features a Cyclone chamber designed to split heavier material from finer particulate, depositing the heavier material in the collection drum and capturing lighter material in the pleated filter and collection bag. The pleated filter design provides the maximum breathability for your collector during operation. And filter cleaning is a breeze with the easy-to-use built-in brush system. Each collector features a quick connect lift handle to detach the collection drum for easy sawdust disposal. And the latching system quickly and securely seals the lid for operation. Improve your shop efficiency with our compact, portable lineup of Cyclone dust collectors today. Available on Grizzly.com.